Hey guys, we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this, and I'll show you how it would plug into your Mac, because most of you are buying this because you have a Mac. Oh yeah, around the box, you're supposed to see that info, there's nothing there and nothing there. Yeah, not that much information on the box. But yes, most of you, not all, but most, bought this for your MacBooks, which is understandable because you will need one, for sure, if you have regular USB sticks or external hard drives. I guess they're gonna have to start making them more with USB-C, as even PCs come with USB-C now. It's a better connection regardless. Anyways, this is it. It's very, very, very light, which is not a good thing when you take a look at stuff. If it's too light, there's too much plastic, it might break very easily. However, it's light, so very portable. Now, I'm not saying that you need these to be very heavy or anything like that, but it's extremely light. So right away, I can tell you it doesn't feel that great. But at the end of the day, we will be doing a review of this. Obviously, after a few weeks and even months, sometimes years, of using something, I do make a review so you guys can see whether it was worth it or not. Maybe this broke right away, maybe it didn't, maybe it lasted forever. So I will be showing you guys that later on, obviously, the review. This is just an unboxing so you guys can see exactly what you guys get inside the box. But it's a very simple device. There's nothing around it, not really. If I can maybe focus in on the writing back here, because I know a lot of you are just watching this for that. Kind of focus it in. It's kind of hard to focus that in. But anyways, you only got 4 ports. They're a little bit too close to each other, true, but they're okay. Your cables will fit just fine around here. Don't see that problem. 4, I would say, would be the minimum, because usually you use 2 and then the other 2 are free. Some may use all of them. I do want to mention that this one is just how you see it. There's others that have another cable coming out of here, and it has a wall plug, so you guys can plug it in, so it has that extra power to it. Those are good depending what you want it for. So if you have a microphone, something like that, you might need one of those, because these might not be good enough. Other times these will just do the trick just fine with a microphone, if that's one of those things that you're going to plug into your computer. Now here I got a MacBook. You would just plug it in here, and there you go. Now you guys can use this with USB sticks and so on. If you guys want to see this in action, see the review, make sure to check out that video and even how to set this up. But as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.